Hi guys! Gusto nyo? Maubos ka na. Ano? This is something that your family will really love. Anyway, bago ko ito maubos, share ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa ang homemade ice cream na ito. Ay, pag natutunan nyo kung gano'n itong kadali gawin, hindi ka nabibili ng ice cream sa labas. Promise. Sarap talaga. Figure ko. Ha? Today, I will be sharing with you my mom's super easy homemade ice cream. We call this super easy because, again, this is super easy. Hindi papawisan ang kilikili mo dito, promise. So for this recipe, we only need 4 ingredients. Yung isa is optional. I just added the dried blueberries because it's long been sitting on our fridge. First step, in a bowl, we will pour in our 2 packs of chilled all-purpose cream. Any brand will do, but I prefer Nestle because this has the creaminess and the texture that I want. And then we will pour in our 1 can of condensed milk. With condensed milk, any brand will do. Next step, we will slice in our fruits. We will start with our banana. For this recipe, we are using saging na lakatan. And if you can get sa market those overly ripe bananas, that will be perfect for this. Next thing we have here is our mangoes. We will slice this and then we will scoop this with a spoon. So there you go. At this point, I would like to invite you, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click the subscribe button. And then here's my little elf to do the rest of the job. He will be mixing all of these ingredients together. Isn't he doing great? For all the parents out there, if you have little kids and they wanted to help you out in the kitchen, let them do their little work. This will help them a lot in the future. So this is it. Diba? Super easy. Actually, tapos na to, but then I've decided to add these dried blueberries. I have here 1/4 cup of dried blueberries. I just sprinkled it on top of our ice cream mixture. And I won't mix this dahil ako lang naman may favorite nito. So later, scrape off ko to and lahat na may blueberries sa akin. And then I will cover this and let this sit on our fridge for 6 to 8 hours. After 8 hours, ito na ang ating super easy homemade ice cream. I really wanted to share this with you guys, but I can't, so I hope you can try this at home and let me know in the comment section how it came out. Also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And for those who haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click the subscribe button. And for you to get an update whenever I upload a new video, please don't forget to also click the notification bell. I hope you're having a great time today. Stay home, keep safe. Thank you for watching. Bye!